Next academic standard, mapping skills. The word map is derived from a Latin word mappa. Mappa means surface of the earth. The word map is derived from a Latin word mappa. Mappa means surface of the earth. Cartography is the science of making and drawing of the maps. Remember, cartography is the science of making and drawing the maps. So academic standard 5 mapping skill consists of 6 marks in summative assessment. The word map is derived from a Latin word mappa. Mappa means surface of the earth. Cartography is the science of making and drawing the maps. Mapping skill involves map drawing, map pointing, map reading. So important learning indicators in mapping skill. Mapping skill involves map drawing, for example drawing outlines of India map, world map, Telangana state map, AP map. Map drawing. Second one, map pointing, locating important places, and map reading. These are the important components involved in map. Mapping skill develop the skill in the students to draw the maps and to find the scale in the map, to know the distances and to know the directions in the map, north, south, east, west, and to know the intermediate directions, north, east, south, east, southwest, and northwest. Mapping skill enable the students to draw the map, to find out the scale in the map, to know the distances, and to read the map, and to use different colors to draw the map, and to know the directions, north, south, east, west, and to find out intermediate directions like northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. Remember, academic standard 5 is mapping skill. The word map is derived from a Latin word mappa, which means surface of the earth. Cartography is the science of making and drawing the maps. In general, mapping skills consist of point number 1 map drawing, point number 2 map reading, point number 3 map pointing. Remember, drawing, pointing, reading of the maps. Let us discuss some textbook examples related to academic standard 5 mapping skills. Draw a map of your village and your school. If this question lies, you can answer based on the two important points, drawing and map. In multiple choice questions, examiner will give 4 options. There are 6 academic standards, so you can recognize easily based on the point map, drawing, map pointing, map reading. Next textbook example, identify different continents and oceans in the world map. Different continents are there: Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Atlantic, Europe, Australia. If the student is able to recognize or point important continents in the world map, it comes under mapping skills. You can identify mapping skill in multiple choice based on the concept of map, concept of drawing, concept of reading, concept of pointing. Color the following physical map using appropriate colors. You know different colors and physical features. For example, yellow is related to plateaus, green color is related to plain and forest, dark brown is related to height places, and blue color is related to water bodies. I am repeating, yellow is related to plateaus, green color is related to plains and forest, dark brown is related to height places like hills and mountains, and blue color is related to water bodies like rivers, seas and oceans. Next textbook example, locate the following places in the world map: Syria, Greece, Egypt, Sri Lanka and India. You know, mapping skill consists of the following learning indicators: map drawing, map pointing and map reading. So based on the term locate and map, you can identify it as academic standard 5 mapping skills. Next example, draw outline of India map and locate union territories. You know, there are 8 union territories. Draw outline of India map and locate important union territories in Indian map. It is also an example of mapping skills. Next example, locate different municipalities in your district. Locate different municipalities in your district is also related to mapping skill. Next important question, locate sea route of Vasco da Gama from Portugal to India in the world map. Locate sea route of Vasco da Gama from Portugal to India in the world map. Very important, Vasco da Gama discovered sea route in 1498 to India. Next textbook example, find out living places of Eskimos in the world map. Eskimos live in igloos. So in this question, find out the living places of Eskimos in the world map is related to academic standard 5 mapping skill. Next important example, locate Portuguese, Dutch, British, French colonies in the world map and fill up with different colors. So map drawing, map pointing, map reading is related to academic standard 5 mapping skills. And one more textbook example, on an outline map of India, show the following: mountain and hill ranges, Karakoram, the Aravali, Vindhya range, peaks, K2, Kanchenjunga, Annaimudi, plateaus, Chota Nagpur and Malwa, the Indian desert, Thar and Western Ghats. If the student are able to locate these physical features in Indian map, it comes under academic standard 5 mapping skills. So far I taught conceptual understanding, which consists of 16 marks in summative assessment. Second one, reading the given text and understanding and interpretation, which consists of 4 marks in summative assessment. In the third one, information skills, which consists of 6 marks in summative assessment. And the fourth one, reflections on contemporary issues and questioning, which consists of 4 marks in summative assessment. And reflections on contemporary issues and questioning is not only a tool in summative assessment but also a tool in formative assessment. In previous state examination, this bit was given. So the more weightage given in formative assessment for following academic standard. So the answer is reflections on contemporary issues and questioning. And mapping skill consists of 6 marks in summative assessment.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు హతీరామ్ నాయక్. 2019 గురుకుల ఎగ్జామ్లో ముఖ్యంగా సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పెడగాజీలో రాష్ట్ర వ్యాప్తంగా నిర్వహించినటువంటి ఎగ్జామ్లో 100కు 85 మార్కులు రావడం జరిగింది. ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్టేట్ బెస్ట్ స్కోర్ ఇన్ మెథడాలజీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ పాసిబుల్ ఎట్ ఎమిలీ అకాడమీ. మోజెస్ సార్ దగ్గర నేను 7 రోజులు మెథడాలజీ కోచింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను అనమాట. ఆ 7 రోజుల్లో సార్ చెప్పినటువంటి అడ్వైజెస్, గైడెన్స్, ఆ మెటీరియల్ అదంతా చదివి నా వంతు కృషి దాన్ని మేళవించి 85 మార్కులు రావడం జరిగింది నాకు. అది స్టేట్ టాపర్గా నిలిచిందన్నమాట. అయితే ఇక్కడ గురుకుల ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో మనకు టీచింగ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ అండ్ పెడగాజీ చాలా చాలా కీ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తుంది అనమాట. మనకు పేపర్ 1లో టీచింగ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్ 20 నుంచి 25 బిట్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది మనకు. అలాగే 100 మార్కులకు పెడగాజీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. పెడగాజీ కంటెంట్ చదువుకుంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది జనరల్గా, కానీ ఆ చదువుకున్న కంటెంట్ని విద్యార్థి యొక్క మస్తిష్కంలో ఎలా చొప్పించాలి, ఎలా బోధించాలి, ఎలా చెప్పాలి అని ఎలా అనే దానికి మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చేదే పెడగాజీ. దాన్ని జనరల్గా మెథడాలజీ అంటాం. పెడగాజీ చాలా చాలా కీ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తుంది మనకు ఉద్యోగం వచ్చేటువంటి క్రమంలో. సో మై డియర్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్, బీయింగ్ ఏ ఆస్పిరెంట్ ఫర్ ది గురుకులాస్, ఎమిలీ అకాడమీ is the very best academy for the teacher jobs. Not only social studies methodology, but also all methodologies, all subjects we can learn at Emily Academy under the guidance of Dr. Moses sir. I strongly advise all of you guys, you may join Emily Academy for the best and quality coaching for the methodology, social methodologies and mathematics and for all subjects also. So thank you one and all.
ప్లే స్టోర్లో ఎమిలీ అకాడమీ అని టైప్ చేసి నేడే యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.